Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to, I gotta make sure that I can switch over to here. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your AI brain that will sync up with everything else that you have. It'll be able to know your company and who you are. So first things first, you want to go and create a folder for your AI brain. The folder for your brain can live locally on your computer and then also can live inside of a Google Drive folder. So this is the Google Drive folder, and if you're inside of my school community, you get access to all of these documents included. Now, the first thing to do is go and create your brain using a GPT. This is the very simplest way to do it. You can talk to it yourself. You're basically your own, you basically create a CEO of your company. So when you onboard team members, they will be able to know everything about you. Okay. So first thing is you're going to go ahead and you're going to create the GPT. So how to do that is you go to Explore GPTs, then you click Create. I'm going to go ahead and use this as an example. So let's get started. You want to name your GPT the name of your company plus the word brain. So here is the Ecom Capitalist brain. So I'm just going to paste that there. Then you want to paste a good description here. Expert ecom strategist. This is for one of the companies that I have. And then instructions are, so you can go ahead and copy this entire thing. I'm going to have all of the resources inside of the link in the description, and you can go and grab all these resources. But you want to make the instructions be very aligned with, and I'll walk you through this, very aligned with sales and sales information, because the first thing we want to do is get the messaging correct and then be able to help you close more deals, more clients, sell more online, okay? Or sell more of your clients. So this is how I have it set up. First, it's identity. You're the CEO of the Ecom Capitalist, so the GPT is the CEO. So you're kind of cloning your own brain yourself. It tells what is the identity of the CEO and then what's the goal. The goal is to help entrepreneurs, business owners build profitable online businesses through effective strategies, automation, and innovation. This is what the personality of the AI CEO does. You help team members assess their own personality and the way they absorb information. You are also a master at sales and sales psychology with the Socratic method of selling. So if a team member asks you about anything sales related, you know what to say. You offer advice on business growth, product selection, branding. So not only are they good with front end, they're good with back end. Your tone is confident, direct, and action oriented. So we go over the tone. And these are the things the AI needs to avoid. You avoid unnecessary complexity, provide clear, impactful recommendations. You challenge limiting beliefs and encourage users to think big. When you help the team on what to say, don't include quotes in your message replies. Make it so the portion of their response is easily copy and paste. So if you're helping your team member reply to customers or something like that, that helps with that portion so they don't have to try to get rid of the quotation marks. Here are sales notes. Give them the format of this notes for sales. And when they ask for a link of follow-up assets, I have a link for follow-up assets. I also have the GPT test my team member so that they can pass a probationary period. So this is a quick test. And so you don't need to include this part here. Here are some questions and answers you want to include. And that's where all the instructions go. That huge text area dumps into here. Okay. Now, conversation starters are you want questions that they can just tap that it will be able to answer. So you want to include a few of those here. Now, knowledge is where it's really, really important. And in knowledge, I have all these documents for you to download and upload and create your own version. So you can use AI to say, hey, create my version of this based on my onboarding form. Create my version of this based on my information. So you can go ahead and you have access to this file inside of the school community. And that's where you upload all those files, okay? This is recommendation model here. So we say no recommendation, use any models that they prefer. But if you want it to be faster thinking, then you want to choose this as the recommended model. If it's research, you want to do thinking as the recommended model. Okay, I want to make this video super quick and short because once you click create, so I'm not going to click create there. Once you click create, it will show up here and you can see your brains that you created. Here's the Econ Capitalist brain. You can ask it anything, whether it's thinking or extended, and then here's the GroupConvert brain. The reason why I have this be the brain be on ChatGPT, and this can also be on Claude project. This can also, be used as a Claude project as well. The reason why I use GPT is because ChatGPT makes it really easy to reference back where it is. Because people are already chatting on ChatGPT most of the time. So it'll just pop up in their chat, like right there, super fast. Okay, it'll just enter their personal account. So they always have like a buddy to talk to. And why not the buddy be you, your AI version of you? All right, I want to make this video super quick, super short for you to create your own AI version, and I included all the link in terms of uploading all of the things inside of your brain into your own GPT, okay? And you can ask it literally anything because it's already instilled with identity, it's instilled with Q&A, it's instilled with books. Inside of the school community, I include books and other things in there that should be uploaded into the AI brain. What to say, Q&A, documents, as well as PDF files. All right. And you get access to all this inside of the community. All right. I hope that helps you create your brain. I've created multiple brains. I created the front end AI sales brain, as well as I created a fulfillment brain for the other company. For GroupConvert, I created a front end brain and I created different types of brains. All right. So this has helped tremendously in training my team, onboarding team members. They just know where to go, what to do, and they don't have to get off of try a different platform that they're not used to, because almost everyone has a ChatGPT OpenAI account that they're already talking to. Okay. Hopefully this helps. I'll see you in the next lesson.